I'm Sandra Wilborn, and I'm here to help you as you work with your young readers at home. Here's a question from a parent. Someone shared with me that a 4-year-old should know 1,500 words. How can I help my child at home with learning new words? It's a great question. So I want you to think for a moment. How did your child learn the words that he already knows? He's been learning language before he was born. He heard your voice in your womb, and once he was born, he listened to you sing and talk to him, and like a little sponge, he was soaking up everything, from the sounds that letters and words make to the inflection and rhythm of your voice when you talk to him. And before you know it, he was making sounds of his own. So my first recommendation would be talking, talking, talking. Your child can learn so much from talking to the important people in his life, like his parents, his grandparents, and his siblings. There are so many opportunities for you to talk during mealtime, during bath time, when you're working or together or playing together, anytime that the two of you are together. My second recommendation is to narrate, to talk out loud, and to discuss what you're doing when the two of you are doing activities together, like cooking, shopping, and cleaning. For example, you might say at breakfast time when you're fixing cereal, let's go to the refrigerator and get milk for our cereal. After opening the door, point to each item and say, we have chocolate milk, buttermilk, and whole milk, but I'm choosing the whole milk for our cereal. And when you do this, you're helping your child identify everyday objects. And this is very important to his vocabulary and oral language development. My third suggestion is reading to your child. Your child can learn so many new words from you just reading to him. And when he learns a new word, try to use that word often. You could use it in everyday conversations and try to repeat that word as much as possible. For example, if you learn the word excursion or expedition, you can use those words instead of the word trip. So let's sum it up. Talking and reading with your child is important to develop vocabulary and oral language. Your child can learn new words from parents, grandparents, and siblings during dinner time, while playing together, while cooking, during bath time, anytime that the two of you are together. Thank you so much for your question. And if you have more reading questions, please send them our way. And please take care.
For more information about teaching reading, please visit www.readingrockets.org. Reading SOS is produced through a partnership of the National Education Association and WETA.